Are they dropping the bolt with the...
Yeah, that's why I went over with it.
Firing. Woo!
That thing's so flat.
Here we go, here we go.
Wow.
Oh man, this is
Yeah, it was flat when you were shooting.
Whoa, I like that.
All right.